Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2. And for you, the cue card or the topic card is describe a prize you received. It can be any prize throughout your life that you received, what it was, when you received it, what did you do for it, means effort, struggle, and explain how you felt about it, right?
Yes.
So please, you got to speak on it for 1 to 2 minutes and your time starts now.
Well, I have no belief in. I have just believe in hard work, and I don't care about what the prize is. I just hard work, and when I was in a 10th class, my teacher insisted me to took part in a competition. But I don't want to part in competition because my exams are also held before the competition. But my ma'am insists me. That's why I took part in the competition. And you cannot believe I received a gold medal. After my exams, I just had a little effort for competition, and when I was going for a competition, I was so nervous and my body was shivering. And but when the competition was started, I give all answer one by one, and the other participants were also giving good answer. But and the competition because competition was between the all kind of public schools, and there are many students that are so intelligent, but they give some wrong answers as well. But at the last, me and the other participant in which we compete each other, but at the end the other participant give a wrong answer and I won the competition. And I was so happy, and my teacher also encouraged me to took part in more competitions. And whenever I thought about this competition, I feel so happy.
Okay, very good. Overall, you spoke for 1 minute and 49 seconds, which is good. And you spoke very confidently, that is good. You spoke fluently, that is good. I just found some mistakes, like you are mixing present in the past tense.
Okay.
So, like my teacher insist me, right? These type of mistakes where you used first form of the verb instead of using the past tense. Otherwise, it went well. There were some other mistakes also, like you said, all answer. It should have been all answers. And then you said there are. It should have been there were. My teacher encouraged me to took part. It should have been to take part. So these type of mistakes are there, but otherwise it's fine. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kind of prizes do students get?
I think all kind of prizes students should get. Like there are many competition, like dance competition, singing, debate, in which students should take part and should get prizes.
Okay. Should students get the same prize in sports and academics?
Well, both are important for students. They must
Take part.
in both like academics and other extracurricular activities.
Okay.
Yes.
Why should people be awarded?
Because when someone is awarded by a prize, it motivates to the student, and it encourage and build their knowledge.
Okay.
That's
All right. Are awards always good for the winners?
No, I think when some student is always winner, they feel like they are superior and they are better than others, and that's not good thing.
Okay, all right. In part 3, your answers are quite short and you are lacking content also. Content means information. So you should give proper information in part 3 because some of your answers were really short. Never start your answer with because. You can use because in the middle of 2 sentences, but never start the answer. And answers are short. There were some grammatical mistakes also. But anyways, the way you are speaking at present, this type of speaking can bring you 5.5 band. If you're looking for a better band score, you need to focus your grammatical mistakes. That is your first area for improvement. After that, the second area for improvement is content knowledge for part 3, because your answers are really short. You need to add some more to that, right? Okay, thank you.